Tila nang uwi sa pag-aalala ang bakasyon ni Sam Pinto at ng asawa nitong si Anthony Semerald habang nasa Japan. Kamakailan ay pinakita ni Sam ang ilang mga photos ng kanilang trip. Masaya at nandoon ang ngiti nila, pero napalitan ito ng pag-aalala dahil na rin sa nangyari kay Anthony, ang asawa ni Sam. Ayon sa kwento ni Sam, simula February 5 ay hindi na maayos ang kalagayan ng kanyang asawa habang nasa Japan. Napakataas ng lagnat nito na umabot na sa 40 degrees. Isang pangyayari na ikinatakot ni Sam dahil na rin sa issue ng influenza sa kumakalat ngayon. Kwento ni Sam, I appreciate everyone's concern. Anthony has been unwell since our second day here in Japan, February 5. He had a very high fever ranging from 39 to 40 degrees, along with chills, headaches, joint pain, a loss of appetite, and nausea. We called the doctor to examine him on February 7 because his condition was not improving. He tested negative for both COVID and influenza, thank goodness. He was given some medication. Sa puntong ito ay na-roll out na ang posibleng COVID at influenza. Marami ang natakot. Matatanda ang kamakailan ay pumanaw ang Taiwanese actress na si Barbie Sue dahil sa influenza nang magtungo ito sa Japan. Kaya naman marami ang nababahala. Samantala sa latest post ni Sam, ikinuwento na niya na tila lumalala ang kondisyon ng kanyang asawa na si Anthony. Narito pa ang kanyang karagdagang update. However, the following day, his condition worsened, so we contacted the doctor again who prescribes antibiotics. Sadly, his situation continued to decline, leading us to call an ambulance for transport to the hospital since it was a Sunday. Most hospitals were closed, only a few were accepting patients. Eventually, the ambulance took him to a facility that could admit him. Kasunod ng post na ito ay ang photo ni Sam na kasamang kanilang anak habang nasa facility. At doon ikinuwento ni Sam ang ganitong test para sa kanyang asawa. They performed a blood test and started IV treatment, revealing that his white blood cells and platelets were extremely low. The doctor here were unsure of the diagnosis, so they sent his results to his team doctor, who confirmed it was dengue fever. They provided medication for his headache and nausea, but instructed us to return to the hotel and allow him to rest. We focused on keeping him hydrated, encouraged him to eat, and ensured he got plenty of rest. What a day it's been. Marami namang mga kaibigan ni Sam ang nagpipray para kay Anthony at sa paggaling nito.